how to block a phone number or a contact in text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Now in here, go back to your conversation list. Then tap on the profile icon at the top. Next, we go down and tap on spam and blocked. Then tap on the more button at the top and then tap on block numbers. And here you can manually put in a phone number that you want to block and then tap on add. If you want to remove a number that you have previously blocked, you can tap on the remove button to delete it. Okay, to block a contact, you can tap on the contacts button and then select a contact and tap on done. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your conversation list. And that's how you can block a phone number or a contact from sending you text messages or spam texts. Thank you for watching this video.